Hello, once again from Balos Beach, and this is Balos Lagoon. It is almost 4 p.m. and it is time for my last beach adventure from Balos. And I have had such an amazing day here, and I have already shown you 5 episodes from Balos, 5 parts, and this is the last one. I am now on the opposite side from the main beach at the lagoon. I've already shown you the lagoon, but let's show you that once again because it's breathtaking. And now it's also like lots of tourists came in with the boat, so it is quite crowded compared to earlier, because earlier it was only people that were coming by road or by road by me also, but not by car, because you can also run or walk all the way here if you're an enthusiast like me. And yes, we have a wonderful 24th of April, Wednesday, and it is 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the water it's also quite warm. I measured earlier 15 degrees in the sea, but also it can be quite warmer on the shallow water. And yeah, this is amazing. You can just walk from this end to the beach. It is very shallow, as you can see, and amazing at the same time. Let's take a walk then, as you enjoy this wonderful scenery. You can see the many tourists from the boat that just came. And yes, I need to move in order to get to Kissamos on time before the darkness hits. And there are buses there at 7 p.m. and the last one is at 8:15 from Kissamos to Aegean Marina. So I really need to be there latest by 8. But I think I'm gonna catch that bus that's earlier. At 7, I probably have some nice beach adventure. Anyway, Balos Beach is one of the most popular beaches in Crete and one of the best, because it looks like this. So I don't need to tell you anything more than that. Pure nature, pure natural beauty. It's amazing. It is a bit shallow, but there are a few places where you can actually swim. So it is definitely, you can find a spot that is a bit deeper to dive in. Yeah, it's amazing. I just have no words to describe how happy I am to be here and to enjoy and to film this beach adventure for you. I'm gonna give you more filming minutes of the settings instead of using me and my face, because this is definitely worth seeing more of. I was afraid that the sun would not come through the whole day, but it was lots of sun at the end anyway, so that's amazing. Especially in this too, it was only sunny. So I'm just now walking towards the exit here, if I can find some more deeper spots to take a swim, as there it is very shallow, it's below the ankles and I can't swim, but here it is a bit more deeper. Let's see if I can spot even deeper spot. Okay, I don't think there can be anything deeper than this, so this is what we have to work with. Still convenient for if you lay down, you will be all in. Yes. All right, so the last swim from Balos, and this is the last beach adventure from Balos, number 6, part 6. So let's have a quick dive in here. So you can do it like this, just lay down and enjoy the beauty and the surroundings. Amazing. Or like this, it's even better. And you can see my tattoo also as well. London 2012. Brilliant. Alright, cool. Then that's a wrap from Balos Beach. This was the last episode from Balos. I might be taking a bit of a swim more before I go back. The main part of the beach, that's right on the other side. But thank you so much for watching and following these beach adventures from Balos, one of the best beaches in Crete, Greece. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Crete!